Hey students, beta, this is your today's worksheet, and this is worksheet number 39. As you know, on 2nd October there was birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is father of our nation. So there is some points given to you on his beliefs. So I am just reading it out first. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was Mahatma not just for us Indians but for the rest of the world. It was not only India who believed in the beliefs of Mahatma Gandhi, but it is whole world who recognizes his beliefs. While honesty and truthfulness were universally accepted winning traits even before Gandhi existed, it was Gandhi who lived and showed how these principles can be embedded in everyday life. So, honesty and truthfulness. It was Mahatma Gandhi who showed us how to live these principles in our life, in our day to day life, how we can bring them in our lives. So, there are some quotes given to you. Truth always triumphs, meaning truth always wins. Cleanliness is next to godliness. If you are living in a clean environment, then only God is going to come to you. God lives in cleanliness. Then there is no God higher than truth. So, truth is God. That's what he is trying to say. Where there is both inner and outer cleanliness, it approaches godliness. When you are clean outside and when you are clean inside, then only God will come to you. Meaning, when you have good thoughts, when you have good emotions, when you don't have negative emotions, then only God is going to come to you. So, in the same way, keeping his principles in your mind, you have to write a letter to the school counselor telling him and her about your decision and the changes you plan to bring in your daily routine to follow this. So you have to write down a letter to school counselor in which you are going to talk about your decision and the changes you are going to bring in your life. How can you plan and change your life? First, you can follow cleanliness, outward cleanliness. In the times of pandemic, it is very important to follow cleanliness, because if you are not following cleanliness, your personal hygiene and the hygiene outside also of your environment, then you are going to spread virus. So because of that, it is your decision now that you are going to keep yourself clean. Washing hands is important. If you are going outside, then when you after coming from outside, you must take bath. Then how you are going to change your inside? You are always going to speak truth, because once we lie, then we have to tell too many lies afterwards. So that's why you must always speak the truth, and you must be honest to yourself first. Till the point you are not honest to yourself, till the point you don't tell your own weaknesses to yourself, you cannot be honest to anyone else in the world. So first you should be honest to yourself. You must tell yourself how you are feeling honestly, how you are thinking honestly. It is negative or positive, that's a whole different thing, but you must speak the truth to first yourself. So these are some principles which we can actually bring in our lives.